how to add sharpness to a picture on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Next, open up a picture that you would like to edit. Then we go down and tap on the edit button. Next, in here, we're going to tap on the tone button in the middle. Then at the top, swipe across and select sharpness. Then drag on the slider bar to add in the sharpness. And that's it. Here, if you make a mistake, you can tap on the back key to undo edit sharpness. Or you can just simply tap on it and then drag it to the right to increase the sharpness of a picture. Once you are happy, tap on the save button to save the changes. And here you can see it is now a lot sharper with more details. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.